This is a central place in the unity of Africa and the re-emergence of the wisdom, power, and the pride of all black people around the world. The charismatic, lively monument that connects the memorable past to tomorrow. The Grand Palace of Emperor Haileselassie I at the heart of Addis Ababa, the capital of Africa, now turned a palace museum. Portraits of leaders of various countries across all the corners of the world are showcased here, one of the most visible parts of this beautiful palace museum. This huge and beautiful palace was built in 1955 to mark the silver jubilee of His Imperial Highness Haileselassie.
And his families were watching movies in this hall. These are the special occasion prestigious thrones of the emperor, his wife, his son, and the wife of his son. They used to sit here. The film will be displayed on the wall for them. Those allowed to watch movie with them used to sit on the bench here.
Only a few leaders of the early 20th century got the chance to speak to their counterparts on Videophone, and Haileselassie is the one.
Ethiopia was one of the 73 countries. Emperor Haileselassie was one of the 73 countries from the world who sent goodwill message. This one is the scanned message of all the 73 countries who sent goodwill message. The encircled one is Emperor Haileselassie's message. As you know, that space flight was conducted after the Second World War. So the emperor witnessed the destruction of the Second World War. He wrote the message that says, I hope the results that achieved through this space flight should be used for the warfare of human beings and the global peace, he said. It was one of the biggest messages of that time. let me tell you about these state dining room tables and the chairs.
Yes.
They are brought from state dining room next to Ambassador Hall. That chair, the opposite chairs are chair for the emperor. Here you see chair for the emperor. Next chair for his wife. So the chairs are for the emperor and for his wife are equal in shape as well as in size to show the emperor and his wife's equality. So
His Imperial Highness Haileselassie I is one of the most legendary leaders of the world, who was acclaimed by the Time magazine as a symbol of resistance and a strong figure in the face of the changing world.